Hello gang, hello friends, hello gang friends. Welcome back, thank you for joining me today. We're going to do something Cateye. Yes, I love Cateye. I have been sent the Rainbow Glass Cat Magnetic Gels from Born Pretty store, where you can get 22% off using the code MISSJO20 and the link in the description to get there. I'll link these products as well. We're going to do a swatch of them. Sorry if you can hear breathing in the background. That's Dexter. He's right next to me, asleep. What was I saying? Oh yeah, we're going to swatch them and then do something with them. I don't think I swatched these very well because in the picture on the website, they're obviously much better at using magnets than I am. They get two different colour sort of shifts in it as well as the rainbow. Oh, holy moly, look at that though. That's bananas. So I just kind of bring out as much of the zhuzh as I can. But if you do a certain way with it, I really should look at maybe seeing if there's videos on how to get the double lines. If you hold it in a certain place for a while, you get two different colours. But they still look amazing with the minimal magnet skills I have. But just play around with them and have fun with them. They're so gorgeous and the rainbow is amazing. So I, beg your pardon, I swatched them on black and then I swatched them over colours that matched the colour that they were, and then I swatched them on clear as well. So for each colour I've done 3 pops, just because they look different over everything, so you can get so many different things out of just one polish. And yeah, I haven't got the what's the word I'm looking for, the kind of shift colour. I haven't got it as well as they've done it on the website, is where I'm going, but they still look amazing. So you can get money off there using the link in the description and the code MISSJO20, but you get 22% off. Oh, this one's my favourite. The rainbow sparkle. Oh my god. They look like billions of stars and I love it. Look. Oh my goodness, just buy them. Just treat yourself, okay? You need a treat. Born Pretty's good, you know, good value anyway, and you can get 22% off. So definitely do that. Definitely get them. This is them over clear. Bananas, so pretty. And then I think when I hold them all together, you'll see that in the middle I've done them over a colour similar to what they are. So you'll see that now. So we've got on black, then on a colour similar to what the colour is, and then on clear. So depending on what you put it on, how you magneticize it, you get loads of different variations from one colour. So we're going to do something with them. We're going to calm down and we're going to do just a corner of this nail coming in towards sort of just a bit further from the centre at the bottom, and then we're going to bring out the zhuzh and then we will cure it or flash cure it. You don't need to full cure it, just enough to stop, just enough to set the magnets where you want them. And then we're going to do the same on the other side, but I don't know how to describe this. What is this called? This design is it's kind of like a plait, not a plait. It had a name. It was like a sort of a trend for a while. But we're just going to do, imagine we've got rectangles. Bear with me, I'm going somewhere. We've got rectangles and we're putting them on the nail. They're thin, but the end of the rectangle... Oh, I thought I was going somewhere. I don't think I am now. One end of the rectangle is off the page, off the nail, but the other end is on the nail. And we're leaving a gap between all our sections here. And I won't show it on camera, but I am flash curing each section as we go. So if you can paint a straight line or straight-ish, you know, try your best. Straight lines aren't the easiest thing. then you can do this. See, rectangle, some of it's off the page. Do you see? Yes, you can see now. So we're going to whiz through that. During that time, I will say, sorry, there wasn't a video last week. And I'm not sure whether I'm going to post this video tomorrow or Monday, because I didn't do one today, which is the second time I didn't do a video, or whether to save it till next week. That means there would have been a 3-week gap. I've just not been good, gang. I've really not been good. The worst part of my day is when I wake up and I'm like, oh shit, another day to try and get through. And there's nothing bad happening. It's just anxiety and that feeling of impending doom. Even though I know there is no impending doom, there is a lot of things that are on my mind, but there's, you know, I'm not in any danger, but I just feel so anxious every day. And I've just been kind of hiding away. So that's why there wasn't a video. But I love all your comments. They mean the world to me. Thank you so much. I know a lot of you have it too. And it's fudging horrible. Yeah, so I love you all. And thank you for your comments. And I pray for you all every night. FYI. So we have, oh, okay, I'm behind now. So where we left the gaps between each one, I went over those gaps with some black gel paint just to crispen, to sharpen up our edges, and then top coated. And look at that. We're going to add some stars and dots and stuff to it, but I don't think I did that on camera. So the next one is, we're going to do, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But we're putting a polish on, and then we're going to bring out the zhuzh. This is a kind of anything can be a galaxy if you add stars and dots to it. And whenever I don't know what to do, I go for stars and dots and galaxy type vibes. So this one we brought out the zhuzh, and then we're going in from the top left. Wait, yes, left. And in from the bottom right to get that kind of swirl. So you see, you get the pink streak, but also the rainbow streak. And I thought, that's so gorgeous. Let's do it again. So we're going to try and do this. So I cured the other one. We're going to try and do this next to the other one, as opposed to on top of it, so that we get two pretty zhuzhes. And I can see that I've sped this up. And the exact reason for that is because I felt so crap that I haven't wanted to do a voiceover, just not been in the mood to talk. So I thought if I speed it up, then I won't have to talk for as long. But it's now, what's the time? 1:55 in the morning. And I'm feeling okay. I didn't feel good today. I stayed in my pyjamas all day. But I feel right now, so it's like, quick, do a voiceover while you feel okay. Quick. So now we've done some dot stars, which is where you do a dot and you pull up, down, left and right from the dot. And I did them shorter and fatter than usual, intentionally, but I don't know why. And then I did some dots and then just drew lines in between them to make a constellation. Probably should have looked, my famous words, I should have looked at a picture of a constellation, but I didn't. So we'll make it up. It's the constellation Gangus Friendus. Gangus? No. Gangus Friendus. And that's that one. So we topped it. Oh, look at the rainbow. Look at the fudging rainbow. It looks like a rainbow aurora borealis, which was visible in the UK recently. And I didn't know it was visible until it wasn't visible anymore. Although I am right on the edge of the bottom of the country. Like, I'm closer to France than I am to, you know, where the Northern Lights were probably visible. Anyway, so we're on to the next one. We're doing a semicircle in the top corner. And we're going to bring out the zhuzh. I'm actually going to play around with it for a bit because I didn't know whether I wanted it all to be zhuzhed or just the curve to be zhuzhed. And I just love sitting and wiggling magnets around Cateye polish. I could just do that for hours. And then we cured that, and we're going to do another circle, just coming off the page a little bit, because it's easier to do a not full circle than it is to do a perfect circle. So we'll do this one in another colour, bring out the zhuzh, and then we're going to do another one a bit at the bottom. And while I'm doing that, I saw, did anybody else see on the chase, it was quite a while ago now. You okay, Dex? Oh, take up the whole bed, that's fine. I have got a blanket on my bed, but he is taking up the entire, he's splooting on the bed. I saw on the chase, they said it was like when someone says the word zhuzhed, what does it mean? So I took a picture of the telly, and that's how you spell zhuzh, is where I was going, because we're always like, how do you spell it? I thought it would have had an S and a J, but no. So that's apparently how you spell it. I will put it on screen, but I can't see it now, so I can't remember what it was. But that solves the mystery of how the word zhuzh is spelt. And I think the guy in the picture is quite cute as well. Anyway, God, I wasn't in the mood to do this, and now I can't stop talking. It's because I know I'm talking to you guys. I feel like I'm sort of just sat with my friends chatting, and it makes me feel a bit better. Right, we cured the the circles, and then we've just done a band around them, but keep the band curved and then bring it out a bit, because it's like a Saturn ring. So you do it, curve it, sort of bend it down a bit over the circle, and then come a bit further out than the circle and start to go back again. And then I zhuzhed those individually and flash cured before doing the next one, so the magnet doesn't affect the previous one. And now we're taking gel paint and just going, I'm excited because I love this, just going around those Saturn rings, the rings in black, and look at that. And I think I went round these circles as well, just to make those a bit sharper. The edges, circles don't have edges. And then we added stars and dots and top coated, and I love it. I don't think this set, stop talking, it's because there's no one here to interrupt me. I'm having a conversation by myself, so I can't stop talking. So we're going to do another one the same as the one that we did a sort of S on, but we're going to use two different colours. So we'll play around with the magnet a bit, cure it, and then we'll use another colour just to do the same as the other one with two sort of different SE swirls on it. This set doesn't really make that much sense because of the first one we did and the last one we're going to do, but I had done them I wasn't planning on doing a galaxy type set, but as soon as I started using these polishes, they just screamed galaxy. So the first one and the last one in this video, I think were the first two I did. And then that's when I thought, no, this has definitely got to have a galaxy vibe. So they don't kind of go with the set, but I stuck stars on them. Chuck some stars and dots at the situation, and anything can be a galaxy, you know? So we've done the same on that one as we did with, not the one before the last one. We're doing some more S's on this one. I swear I make things more complicated than they need to be, verbally, a little verbal diarrhea. So we've got a greeny, an aqua swirl and a blue one. Stars and dots. And a sort of plough, but not really the plough, but a little bit like the plough. Or the, what do you call it? There's other names. Ursa Major, or is this Ursa Minor? The bear, the plough. We call it the plough. Well, I do. I worked at a harvester once called the plough. Have you eaten at a harvester before? Do you know how the salad cart works? I was 15. And then we're topping, and look at that. Oh, it's so good. It's so, those polishes are just amazing. I love them so much. They're so good. Rainbow, holographic, Cateye. Come on. It just doesn't get much better than that in the nail world, I don't think. Holographic rainbow cat eyes. And they're such a good price. I love them. Right. Is this the last one? I don't know. We're going to do some straight in air quotes, you know, as straight as you can. Don't worry if they're not perfectly neat. Straight lines in one of the polishes, all the same colour. I should have done them different colours, shouldn't I? Oh, silly Joseph. And then we're going to use the magnet to bring out the zhuzh and then push it down to the bottom. So we'll bring it out as much as possible and push it down. Could have done this on each of them separately, like we've done with some of the others. You know, do one, get the zhuzh where you want it, flash cure it, do the other one. But because we want it all in the same place, I thought we'll just do it all at the same time. So I'm going to try and bring it out at the bottom. It doesn't show very well on camera. I have whacked the brightness up a lot. But it looks even better in real life than it does on camera. You'll just have to take my word for that. And then we're going to, so we cured that, and now we're going to fill in all the gaps with this. I'm using the same colour, am I? Am I? Or am I using, no, I think I'm using a different colour. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see what the zhuzh is like. It looks different. But we'll then use the magnet to push the zhuzh all the way to the top. And then we'll get this cool effect, which I saw a video online. Don't know who it was by. There's a whole bunch like this. So if you've done this before and made a video or a Pinterest video or whatever, let's just say it was your video I saw, and thank you. But I don't know who it was. I love the fact that when doing nail art and things, you get inspiration, or you just straight up recreate sets by other nail techs. Like, we're all in it together. Let's inspire each other. I love it. So we cured that, and now we're going to add stars and dots. Whoop whoop. I just love stars and dots. They're the best things ever. They make me feel all cozy, you know. How are you all? I hope you're all okay. Again, I'm sorry there wasn't a video last week. And I don't know whether I'll put this video out tomorrow or not, or save it and then I'm sort of a week ahead of myself. Might do that. I don't know. But I apologise. I know lots of you say that you look forward to it, and it's kind of a nice little distraction if you're feeling a bit crap. So I'm sorry I wasn't there for you. I really am. But I hope you're okay. And now we are top coating. I love this. See what I mean? Like, that design it's not really a galaxy design, but it works because we've put stars on it. And now it looks like some kind of cosmic, futuristic, you know, you can see the stripes, but they're not there, you know? And this is the final set. I put stars and dots on the one on the right, on top of the top coat, because I'd already topped it. And looking at it now, they're shizer. Look how bad they are. I think I was feeling anxious and just wanted to hurry up and go and get back into bed and mope, do my puzzle. So those rainbow cat eyes, I will put a link to them in the description. Go and have a look at them, and you can save 22% on an already good price. So go and head over there. I've gone all croaky. It's been too long and I haven't shut up. That's okay. It's my video. I'll talk as much as I want for those people who might complain about it. I appreciate you being here so much. I really do. I hope you have a lovely day. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.